I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, the blockchain or the Web3 related venture capitalist funding, it has been on the decline since the May lows that we happen to see. And not just that, like after that, so many things happen. The Voyager, the Celsius, the Luna, the FTX collapse, right? It has been on the decline. But you would be surprised to know that the amount of funding, the VC funding that has been done in the entire 2022 year has been more than 2021. In the 2022 year, we have had $36 billion so far poured into the startups related with the blockchain and the Web3. 2021, it was just 30 billion. So we are $6 billion more in VC fundings in 2022. Despite the fact that if you try to analyze the entire 2022, it was just a year of the crash. Like you might have seen some relief rally and then crash again, some relief rally and then crash again, right? This message I wanted to talk about, this thing I wanted to talk about on my videos in order for for the people who follow our channel to understand and to know what this fact means. The VC money, the venture capitalist money, is considered to be one of the smartest money. Now, here's the thing. There might be exceptional cases. There might be a lot of cases where the VC money has been the dumb money. Probably the VCs who invested in Three Arrows Capital, Luna, right? Or probably Celsius or FTX, all that turned out to be dumb money. But the amount of smart decisions that they make happens to surpass or outnumber in huge amount than amount of dumb decisions that they take. Because the reason is simple. They do the maximum amount of research when they invest their money. So when we are seeing that despite the entire market is declining, so much so that everybody is like skeptical. I mean, you just talk to people outside on the road, you say that you are in crypto, like they probably see you as a potential scammer if you're even suggesting them to invest into the crypto, right? The kind of reputation the crypto is drawing, with the kind of collapses and the prices draw down, the coins disappearing, the FTX exchange, the third biggest exchange, just running away with people's money. And despite all of that, we are seeing the VC money being funded upon. $36 billion is how much? Like if you try to divide by 360 days, 365 days in a year, it's almost $100 million every single day poured into the Web3 or the blockchain related startups. They are able to see the things or the future because they see it from the mass adoption perspective, that how much it is going to be adopted in the future, how many technologies, how many disruptions in the future are going to be driven by this Web3 and the blockchain. That's what they are able to see. It doesn't matter the kind of macro environment or probably the trust issues, the related things that is causing the price drawdown. Eventually, they happen to see whether we have the real world utility or not. And the answer is yes. And that is the exact reason I have covered this specific video. The idea is not just to give you some of the numbers like $36 billion this year or $30 billion last year. The idea is to make sure that if you have been in it, you have taken the heat, you have been down bad, you are with us. We are all in it together. Do not leave from here. Do not be the one who capitulate from here, because obviously the crypto market is out there to bore you with frustration and pain so that eventually you just give up and you come back when the next bull run starts, when the things have already started heating up. I want you guys to be here in these tough times so that the next thing that you happen to see is just the gains from here. Obviously, if you have seen the worst, obviously anything better from there is just part of the gain or the pleasure. Just imagine, I mean, this period is pretty much similar, or in fact even worse, I would say, than 2018, when probably the crypto was considered to be just one-time thing which just blew up and everything is back on track, and thank God you were not part of the crypto, right? But some of the people are stuck with it. probably mainly because of the reason that they got into 2017 and lost the big sum of money and stuff. Or probably some of them entered new in 2018 because they believed into the future. That is what the period is right now. Everybody is wanting to be away from the crypto because of the kind of reputation and consistent letdown that is happening. I want you to be part of it, to go through the roughs and the toughs so that the next bull run you are able to enjoy, because it is not just about just coming next near the bull run. You need to learn this art of dealing with the ups and downs, of how do we uh, deal with the things, how do we get out with the profit. And it cannot just happen overnight. You have to stay in the game, you have to practice in these tough times, so that when the time comes right, when the good times come, that's when you understand, how do I take the profit, get out, or probably invest into the biggies only, like later on. Like, the idea to trade with the little coins is just to quickly have more Bitcoin. The idea eventually should be to accumulate more Bitcoin, more Ethereum. That's it, because these are the top leaders. Eventually, everything else is just so that you can accelerate your growth. I mean, it's not a long term hodl. Some of the projects are not for the long term hodl. So, all these things, like, it cannot be just taught within a video or stuff. You have to be part of it. And this is the time to be practicing. If you haven't given up so far, do not give up now. That's what I wanted to say. So thanks a lot for tuning into the video. If you would like to win one full Bitcoin with us, you'll be part of that lucky draw. All you have to do is just click on the link down below, sign up to the biggest exchange in the world, that is Binance, purchase your first crypto, and that's it. You'll be part of that lucky draw when we'll be doing. I'll just leave the quick video for that. How do you win the one full Bitcoin? Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.